Hello guys, I'm back. So I went ahead and sewed my little pieces. Um, I just sewed around them, which I went down there a little bit. Should have gone more up. And this was the other piece that I need to glue up on the top because I can't sew on it. And this one here, I think that was it, right? No, there's another one over here. So I figured we did decorate these, but I also went ahead and sewed different kinds of pockets. The little corner tucks. This is just a little tuck kind of like this, or a journaling card, I'm not sure. And then I did for these just a little pocket and then pocket on the back. And then these pocket and pocket on the back, I just did that little slant. And I did two from each side. And then I did these here. I have a little tuck there and a tuck here, and then the one in the back. So yeah, I went ahead, but I did sew them. You know, I I did sew them. And these I went ahead and collaged first. So, but I just wanted to get the sewing out of the way, seeing that, you know, that takes forever. So let's decorate these, and then we'll decorate some of those, and then we'll start putting them in the journal. Now for this one, some of the images that I pulled out are from this book. If anybody's interested. I got this at thriftbook.com. The thriftbooks.com. Yeah. It's an S at the end. Anyways, I was thinking about adding this one here to this little booklet. But I was also over here. I was also thinking of adding some cheesecloth, because cheesecloth makes everything look cute. So let me add some cheesecloth there. And then I was thinking of adding some of this trim at the bottom. I think it goes like this. So I was thinking of adding some here. Oops, sorry. And then adding the image on the top. But it's like yes and no about the little dots there. Do they go with botanical? That's what I'm questioning myself. You know what? Let's just do it. I mean, it looks cute. I'm going to use some wet glue. And then I'm going to add pull it a little more there, and then let me add some glue here. And then adding this one here. Now, do I want to sew around it? I would like to sew on the actual, you know what? Because I'm thinking of putting that little notepad, it doesn't matter if I sew here, right? What do you guys think? Or should I just sew on the actual? Let's just sew on the actual image. Okay, I'm going to have to sew a little bit. But see, this is just around the little image here, so that shouldn't take me that long, I don't think. Let's do the zigzag. Let's see. And then actually on the going through my stuff, I noticed that one of the I have another nature themed journal that I haven't finished. You know, you move your stuff around and next thing you know, you bury it because that's what I did. So I need to finish that one too. So if I end up making too much, I guess, ephemera for it, I could always add it to the other one. So that'll work. Okay. Yeah, I went ahead and looked to see what I was going to do before I turned on the camera because, you know, I tend to think a lot and I want to get a lot done in this video and not, you know, breaking my head. Okay, I like that. That looks cute. The back, I'm not sure what I'm going to do. So we'll leave that one alone for now. I mean, I could add another image to the back, but I don't know. Let's leave it alone for now. And on the inside, I went ahead and sewed in the little pocket. So I had cut this one out and I was thinking of putting that one there. I thought that went well in there. But we need some sort of, you know, cheesecloth or something. I wonder what this kind of fabric would. Let me see. Let's try it. Like something like that. Oh. We gotta have all these little thread thingies because it makes it look cool. Then I'm thinking of distressing it a little bit. Just for fun. Now I'm not sure. No, it'll fit. It'll fit. Okay. So what I'm going to do is put a little bit of glue in the center. Just so that I can keep it together until I sew. I think right there. Press it down. Okay, so I'm going to take it to the sewing machine and just sew around real quick. See, I'm glad I sewed all those pockets before because do I want straight stitch or because the image is so small. I don't know if I should do, yeah, I'm gonna do the straight stitch. I don't want to take too much of the image. Okay, guys. So I'm thinking this one here. Whoops, whoops, whoops. So yeah, I'm thinking this one here. Okay. I think right there. Now, as far as tags, because I'm using the main kit that I'm using is Nature's Remedies. I want to see if I've been trying to get everything set. Those are so cute. I'm wondering if I can use these small ones. Oh, it barely fits. And then maybe a short one from here. Unless I add a piece of ephemera, but they fit. Okay, so for now I'm going to leave that alone. Put these back. Okay, so we do need to whatchamacallit, add some fibers. And I should have some seam binding in here. This is just a little thingy. I just throw scraps in here. Okay, that's too small. Oh, we have some of this furry stuff. This eyelash trim. Maybe that'll look cute. Let's see. I love this stuff. I was so stuck on it in the beginning of my crafting journey, especially the brown. And I can't believe it. I pulled away from it because I love this stuff. I mean, I still do, but I don't use it as much. It's so funny how with time you just things sort of change, you know. Okay, what am I doing wrong? Okay, why are you not wanting to go in? It's like it's getting... Okay, now it went in. I don't know. Okay, so now we just need to do the little notepad here. Now I did go ahead and pull out a bunch of different papers from different kits that I've used. I don't know who they're from, most of them, but I'm going to try to use them for that. So what I hopefully, you know, whatever I could remember, I will let you guys know. I'm thinking this one. Okay, let's bring this back. And so I'm gonna say there. Where's my tear ruler? Oh, over here. So I'm gonna say there. Turn it this way. And I'm going to say there. Then a piece of this. I need to copy dye paper, guys. I've been so lazy to copy dye paper. I just, well, I should try to do it outside now that it's getting hot, but I don't know, I've just been lazy. I've been lazy to do that. Even though I did my stains to distress. I don't know. I mean, I still want the coffee dyeing look. I like that as well, but I just been lazy. I need to. The other day I was thinking, oh, I should just go in the stove, you know, in the oven, and just, you know, do a little batch just to hold me off. And of course not. I couldn't get myself to do it. Okay, so I'm thinking that there. Should I add these little pieces here? And then. I have a couple of pages left of coffee dye paper. This one didn't even dye as much. So we'll put that there. But yeah, I need to do that. I need to stop procrastinating or be lazy and just do it. Okay. I'm going to add this one there. I don't know why. Just cuz. But I'm thinking of adding a little bit of a trim or something, a lace, something on the top. Let me see if there's anything. I need more space in here. Let me see if there is anything we can add from here. What about a piece of this? Or let's see. Let's just say that's there. How would it look if I added a piece of this? Nope. That one's too thin and too white. What about a piece of this one? I think it's too little. It blends in. Okay, hold on. Let's look in the drawer. There's gotta be something, right? That's what I should have done before I started the video, was to have look for all these little details, but then you don't know what you're gonna use. What is this? No. Okay. I was too lazy to put this away. I threw it right there in the drawer where all my little, you know, bits and pieces are in. What about a piece like this? Nope. This one doesn't match. What about something like... Yeah, I think I like that. Ah. Okay. So we're going to grab all this and put it in order. And then adding a piece. I think it's this way. Okay, so I'm going to sew this real quick, guys. Give me a second. I think I want to go do the zigzag stitch. can cut this piece off. Okay, I like that. Okay, guys, so I think this piece is done. That's cute. What do you guys think? I think that's so cute. And the back, like I said, I don't know. I feel like I need to add something. What? I'm not sure, but what if, oh Lord, please don't, oh, I thought they were gonna fall. What if we add something like this to the back? You know, we don't want to leave it plain, but you know, it's the back, so I don't want to put too much either. And these stickers came from, I like that, from, OMG. I think I like that one. From, oh my goodness. I'm dropping everything. What about this one? Okay, I think that one's gonna go. From AliExpress. Ali? Yeah, I think it's Ali or the other one. I get them confused, but I think it's AliExpress that I got those from. So yeah, I think I'm gonna add that one to it. So let's see if we get lucky and not struggle so much with this. And yes, it's cooperating. I think there's my little card. But oops, the card works great for stickers. Yeah, just to give it a little something on the back. You know, we don't want to leave it too plain. So that's good. As long as the front looks cute, I'm happy. So now, cut that off. Okay, so we got another piece ready. Let's pop it over there. And where are we in time? Oh my God, 25 minutes it took me to do that? Jesus. Okay, let's see if I could fit another one. So this one, we wanted to glue the top. Okay. Yo. I think I put too much glue. Okay, so on the front, I was thinking, I don't think these go. These are too small. What if I add I have a couple of these left too. Okay, that one's way up there. Oh, there's a butterfly in here. That one shouldn't be in there. That's cute. I don't know because I have that one there. I don't think. Yeah, no. What about this one? That's cute, but it's going to cover this one. Now, do we want to leave it there and work around it, or do I want to cover it? That's cute. I like that. You know what? Let's cover it. OMG. Oh, we have a little one here. No. And then maybe add a word to it. A little ticket or something. A label, I guess. That's what I'm trying to say. Come on. I'm just like playing here with this piece. OMG. Oh, wait. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, a little bit down. Oh, but okay, I'm gonna have to let it go. We gotta cut that off. It was supposed to go that way. Oh well. Okay. So that, and would this one be too tall? Oh, there's two of them. No, it'd be perfect. Awesome. So I want a little label or something. Sorry guys, I dropped my control to the TV. These are some of the pieces I have left from the kit. What about a cute little ticket? See, there's these words here that come with the kit. Would those work, or something like, whoops, something like a little ticket like that? That looks cute, but I think a bigger one. Do I have a bigger one right here? This one's way too big. I actually need to shrink these. Oh, shoot, I don't have one here. Okay, let me get this book and see if there's some in here. These are from Shabby Dabby Doodah. Oops. What do you guys think? Okay, where am I in time? Shoot. Okay, I am going to put that in there. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care. God bless. Bye.